All right, so this is recording now. Let's continue. As I mentioned, to find the mean equals average. To find the median equals median. To find the mode equals mode. But you have to check first using the mode multiple, control shift enter. Skewness equals skew. The range is max minus the minimum. So how to interpret? The prices of English books are scattered over 21 Omani reals between the minimum and the maximum, right? So it is the distance between the minimum and the maximum. All right, so we can say that there is like 21 reals distance between this lowest and the highest value. So let's now go to the table below here. Did you get it or no? Yes. Okay, here below, you have to start with the upper bounds to get the frequency. What's the meaning of 4 to 7, 7 to 10 again? Who can tell me? What's the meaning of 4 to 7 here? It means from what? From 4 to 6.999. Because 7 is used here again. So this is from 7 to 9.999. Yeah? Because the numbers are repeated. 4 to 7 is only until 6.99. And this is 7 to 9.99. Yes? Now, to get the frequencies, you have to count how many from 4 to 6.99 or 999. But there is no time to do that. We have a time, but how about if there are many scores? So we have to use a technique. So we start with the upper bounds. We're going to type the first two numbers only. These are the upper bounds, 7, 10, and so on, right? So we just select or write the first two numbers and drag, select these numbers, drag it down. It will be automatic. You have to save time. So again, you type the first two numbers, 7 and 10, select the numbers and drag it down. Okay, now how to solve the frequency? We select all of this. Don't include the total. Okay, don't include the total, equals FRE frequency. Is this recording? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, select all, equals FRE, frequency, select the data above, comma, select the bins. Okay, be careful. You have to select all. Sometimes, by mistake, you are not selecting all. Frequency, select the data, then comma, not period, comma. You start selecting from 28 going up. Yeah, it is safer because sometimes you cannot see this number here. Yeah, so please ensure that you selected the whole column. Control Shift Enter. Control Shift Enter. Okay, don't forget to use your 3 fingers. Again, guys, did you write the bins? Okay, you can do it manually, but the best way is to first type the first 2 numbers, not the lower bound, the upper bounds. Then select, drag it down, select, drag it down. Now, we select all equals frequency, select the numbers above, comma, select the bins. From down going up is safer. Yeah, Control Shift Enter. Then here equals sum of all. Yeah. So what's the sum? What's the sum? 100. So it should be total, it should be equal. If you select all of this, you see here the count 100. Here the count is 100 when you select the table. So it is equal here. If not equal, something is wrong with your values. It should be 100 all in all. Okay, now we are going to insert a histogram. As mentioned here, histogram is for continuous data. This data is continuous because we have prices of English books. We have 7.5 whole numbers, so decimals allowed. So we use a histogram. Yes?
The value of sum, it is shown as 0.
Yes, if you don't get the answer, if this is 0 here, okay, if this is 0, put the answer here down. Okay, because that means you included the total, okay, like that. Understand?
Yes.
It might happen in your test. Those who got 0 here, put the sum down. You get it, Mosan?
Yes, yes.
Okay, can we proceed to this? Here we're going to count how many OPs, how many MN, how many WET, right? This is the data, qualitative. To count directly, I want you to highlight all without the total. Equals COU. Countif. Double click. So whenever you are counting, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, select all OPMNWET without the total, then equals Countif. Yeah. Select the table above. Select the table, comma, select the categories on the left. Select the table, comma, select the OPMNWET, then, and then what? Control Shift Enter. Again, We select all without the total equals count if. Select the table, comma, select the standards on the left. OPMNWET. Control Shift Enter. You get it? Then here equals sum of this. So what's the answer? That means we did not highlight properly. Why this is 49? Yes, that means not all highlighted. Count if, comma, MN. This one is deleted here. Yes. Okay, so you have MN here. Do you have the same 23, 12, and 15? Yes. So 50. Okay, can we proceed to the graph? Insert the bar chart of this table. Then later we will graph this one also, histogram. Okay, guys, can you please select this? Insert. This is the bar chart here. This is column chart. Bar chart is below. Okay, below the column chart is the bar chart horizontal. Again, select the table, insert here 2D bar. This one, no, this one. Below 2D bar, and then select the layout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth layout will give you the numbers below. These numbers. Yeah. Of course, you can change the font by changing the size if you want. You can copy this, copy the title, copy, paste it here. Control V. What is the meaning of Control V? Paste, right? Yeah. Which one? Layout. Select chart design, layout. Number 5. Select the graph was on. You will see chart design. Select chart design, layout. Okay? Understand? Chart design, layout. Select chart design, layout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Number 5 will give you the numbers and the categories. Okay, so you can move this one down. You can also put colors, format. Yeah, you can format. You want to. Okay, now let's go back to this. We're going to insert a histogram. Select the first 2 columns without the total. Do you have any question here? Any question here? Okay, can you please select the first 2 columns? Don't include the total. Histogram, please. No total. Insert column, the first one. Again, select the first 2 columns. Insert the first column. And then how to remove the space? Histogram, no space in the middle. Select the first 2 columns without the total. Insert this one, first column. How to remove the space? Select the bars. Right click, format data series. Select the bars, right click, format data series. And then gap width 0. Yeah, so gap width is 0. This one move to the left. Okay. And select the paint. Click this one. Select border. Border solid line. Change this to red. Change the solid line to red. Okay, border. Solid line, red color. It will give you the borders. See, look at the comment above. Positively skewed. Right skewed. Lower frequency on the right side. It is correct. So, very good. Lower on the right. Although we have here a little bit higher. But in general, on the right is what? What happens on the right? Lower compared to what? Compared to the left, yes? Where is the concentration of the data? Where is more? Where is more, guys? More is here, right? In this area. More is there. That's the meaning of this. Positively skewed, lower on the right side, higher on the left. Our mean, what is our mean? 10.89. The median and the mode. See? They are in the concentration of the data. It's here. Our mean is 10.89. It is here. Our mode is here. See? It's correct. This is the highest. And the mode is here. 4 to 7. And our median is here. So most of the data are, most of the scores are here lower on the right. So you can copy the same comment. You can create a box here. Control 1, wrap, merge, center. Yeah. So again, for the comment, because it's mentioned here, write your comment in terms of the skewness. So select this. Control 1, alignment, wrap, merge, center. Last time I taught you how to do this. Okay, and copy the comment. This comment, select, copy, and paste it here. Control V. That is your comment. Yeah, you copy the comment from up, put it down. It's lower frequency on the right, higher frequency on the left. So again, what you will do, you just select any cells here below, here, Control 1, then alignment, wrap, merge, and here's center. Okay, then you copy the skewness comment, skewness, paste it here, double click this, Control V. Yeah, so that's it. You take your break, you come back at 6:22. Okay, any question? Did you get it? All right, so we'll come back at 6:22.